getting your domain configured correctly is key to ensuring that your business email runs smoothly and reaches the right inbox. Now, to achieve this, it's important to set up 3 powerful authentication methods. We have the SPF, the DKIM, and the DMarc. Now, this 3 authentication method is what ensures that your email arrives successfully. Yes. Now, in this video, I will show you how you can generate this 3 authentication method. My name is Prudence from The Manager. Now let's get started. To get started, we are going to be using the Easydmarc tool. So just open your browser, then type Easydmarc here, easydmarc.com. So under the nav bar, you go to tool, then as you can see, we have the DMarc, the SPF, and the DKIM. So this is the tool you will use to generate your 3 authentication method. So under the SPF, which is the first one, you will see the SPF record generator. So just click on it. So here, you enter your domain name. So you input your domain name here. Okay, this is it. Then, now, as soon as you are done entering your domain name, you click on this show more. So I'll click here. So here, we're going to add our IP4. To get your IP, what you do, you go to nslookup.io to get the IP of your domain. So I'll come here, go to nslookup.io. Yeah. So here, I will enter my domain. Yes, then click on yes, so this is my IP address. So I will copy this here, then I'll come here. So to add my IP, I will click on this plus icon here. Yes, then to add my A record and my MS record, I'll click on the plus attached to each record. I'll click here. That is the A record. Then I'll add the MS record. Click here. Done. Now this include is not needed, so I'll just delete this. Then I'll enter the IP address here. Then my A record. So here you can enter your domain name, but if you leave it blank, by default they will generate your A record and your MS record for you. So I'm just gonna leave this blank. Then the failure policy softgel. Then I'll click on the generate button here. Generate. As you can see, valid. Then look up to and all that, email sender 3. So this is your SPF. So this is your SPF DNS record. Now, the same way you generate your SPF is the same way you generate your DMarc and your DKIM. So you can just copy this, go to your cPanel, impute this. Likewise, that of your DKIM. So to generate that of the DMarc, I can just stay over on this tool here. Yeah, then I'll click on, under the DMarc session, I'll click on DMarc record generator. I'll click here. So as you can see, they already have the domain name, right? So your policy type, none. Then this aggregate report sender. Now, here you will enter your domain primary email address. Let's say, for example, now you are trying to send a mail, and trying to send an outgoing mail, and the thing did not go through. So here you enter an email address that you use to receive the message that, oh, this mail you are trying to send did not go through. So you can just enter anyone here. So I'll just enter my email address here. Yes, info at this. Then I will leave this blank. Then click on generate. So as you can see, ensure that this record status is showing valid. So our DMarc record has been generated. The same way you generate your DKIM, over on your tool, come to the DKIM session, then click on DKIM record generator here. So as you can see, they have our domain name already. Selector, you can just use default. Yeah, the default selector. Then key length, okay. Then click on generate. So which image service or platform do you use? Me, I'm using Roundcube, so I'll just put Roundcube. Then two-factor this, I'm not a robot. Then click on continue. So your record, your DKIM record value has been generated. Because when you go to your cPanel accounts, sometimes you see this. Yeah. So when you have it there, your email is good to go. Yeah. But sometimes when you're having email failure, yeah, or your email is ending up in a recipient folder, so you just need to check this theory too to ensure that they are there. But if they are not there, this is how you configure, you generate them, then you configure them in your cPanel account. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, do not hesitate to hit the like and the subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you.